Get documents from your payroll clients through requests. Client requests in TaxDome allow you to collect files from clients conveniently whenever you need them. For example, in your payroll pipeline, you want to have an automation in the first stage to send a request to your clients with payroll hours requests. First, you need to create a client request template. Go to the Firm Templates section, then the Client Request tab, and click Create Template. This is for the request that will be sent to the client when the payroll job starts, so include your request and add a file upload question here. By default, the client will need to log in to upload a file, but if you want to make it easier for them, you may turn off this toggle. Once the client uploads file and submits the request, they will automatically be saved in the Client Uploaded Documents folder. Also, you will have the job automatically moved to the next stage. Save the template, then edit your payroll pipeline. Add the client request automation to the first stage. Make sure that the AutoMove option for the stage is on. If you don't have it, then AutoMove will not work for this automation, and you will need to move the job to the second stage manually. After saving the template, go to your payroll pipeline. Add a job to this pipeline and confirm that you want to trigger the automation to send out the request. Let's switch to this client's portal so that you can see how this step looks from their end. There's a notification on their to-do list for the request, and if the client doesn't have access to the portal, they can see the notification right in their email. Click to open it and then upload the required documents. Once done, submit the request and then switch back to the firm portal. The job has moved into the second stage after the client uploaded payroll hours. And you can also see the notifications for the completed request in Inbox Plus. You can view the documents at any time, either from the request or inside the Client Uploaded Documents folder.